welcome back to It's Winter Vlogs. And for today's vlog, as you can see, I have a box here. So it's gonna be an unboxing vlog. And also I'm going to give a review for this product. Are you guys ready? So keep on watching. Are you guys excited to open the box? Well, me too. So let's start the unboxing. I have already a scissor here, so let's open the box. Oopsie. All right. There you go. Ta-da! All right, guys. So this is it, guys. So guys, this is a Soundpeats T3 earbuds. Wow, look at the backs. And by the way, guys, I got this from Amazon.nl. I have the link in the description, so please feel free to check it out and purchase, of course. So, are you guys ready to open it? So, let's do that. You know what, guys? The earbuds still in the box, but I can already feel that this earbuds is really light. Wow. So, let's start the unboxing. Oh, I think it's like this. Yes. All right. Like that. And then, of course, how do we open the box? Okay. Ooh. Oh, wow. Wow, guys. So, ta-da! Oh, wow, guys, it's really light. Wow. I can't wait to use this, guys. And of course, inside the box, there is our Soundpeats T3. And of course, there is a manual. Yes. And what's in here? Of course, the charger. So, it's complete, as you can see. This is the Soundpeats T3 with charger and of course the manual. I can't wait to use this, guys, and I will come back a little later for my review. But before I try this, guys, let me show it to you closely. So, wow, this is it, guys. It's so beautiful. Like that. Let's remove this plastic. Let me take it. Wow, guys, it is really light. Oh my god. I can't wait to use this. Really. Wow. So, just like that. Hello again, guys. It's been 3 days now since I've got this Soundpeats T3 earplugs. And to be honest to you guys, I've been really using this the last 3 days. Going to work, doing the home training, doing my exercises or walking around in the place where I live. Like music while I'm going to the market. It's just perfect, guys. And you know what I like the most? Because with the charger case, it's small and very light, and for me, I like it. And of course, it's just seriously the ultimate budget AirPods. So I have the link in the description, so feel free to check it out. Just a little recap of what product I got. So it is the Soundpeats T3. Of course, inside the box, it comes with the earbuds itself. It comes with the charging cable. This one. And there are different sizes, small, medium, large ear tips. And of course, the manual or the user guide. And like me, guys, like what I've said, I admit that I'm not that handy. And I was scared that I'm not able to pair it up with my cell phone. But actually, I didn't really use this. It was so easy to pair. So, guys, I have the link in the description. So, really, this is highly recommendable. So, please feel free to check the link. Just an additional information, guys, it has 5.5 hours listening, Bluetooth 5.2, ANC transparency, touch controls, USB charging, and of course, it is a water resistant. And also, I want to add something, especially for my subscribers in the Philippines, my family and friends out there. You can also purchase this product just by clicking the link in the description, or please visit amazon.nl or visit amazon.com and search Soundpeats T3. And you know what, guys? Like I said, I've been using this for the last 3 days, and today I've walked from my work to Central Station. It's like 15 minutes walk. And you know what? Walking wearing this was just perfect, because you know what, to have an AirPods you have to have something that fits perfectly, and this one was really perfect. And of course, I also want to know this product, to test this product, so it's just worth it, guys. It's thumbs up for me. And you know what, this is seriously the ultimate budget AirPods. So come on, guys, feel free to check out the link in the description. So that was the unboxing of Soundpeats T3. And now, guys, let me share to you what I did after work, walking from my work to Central Station using my Soundpeats T3 earplugs. So yan, guys, please don't forget to check the link in the description. And thank you, amazon.nl. And now let's watch my walking experience using the Soundpeats T3. So ayan, guys, I'm walking in the streets of Amsterdam while of course using my new Soundpeats T3. It's a beautiful weather to walk, guys. Right now in Amsterdam, it's 15 degrees Celsius. So walking while listening my favorite music with my new earplugs from amazon.nl, Soundpeats T3 is just perfect. With music on, using my Soundpeats T3. T3.
Yeah, towards the market or there's so many. Yeah.
Salted.
Benim şu şeyi al. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to click the link in the description. Thank you so much Soundpeats and Amazon.nl.